Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to convert a video file into an audio file, remove audio from a video, and add audio to a video. These are very useful technical skills that have great potential to increase opportunities in your personal and professional life. We will be using a free software called CapCut. CapCut is available for Windows, Apple Macintosh computers, iPhones, and Android phones. You can download it from the Microsoft Store or the Apple Store, or download it from CapCut.com. Once you download it and install it on your computer, open up the application, and the first screen that you're going to see in CapCut, what you want to do is click Create Project. Create Project. Once you create project, you'll open up this screen, which is your project screen. And this is where you'll be able to do the work on the videos. So first, let me show you how to convert a video file into an audio file. You simply drag the video file into the panel here on the left side where it says import, and then you're going to see the video show up. Next, you're going to drag this video into this lower panel. This is called the timeline panel. To convert this video file into an audio file, all you have to do now is go to Export, which is in the upper right. Click that. You can give it a name. Select which audio type. I'm going to pick MP3. Make sure you click audio, but do not click video. So you want audio only. Then you will click Export. What that will do is then convert the video file into an audio file. When you're done, click Cancel. Next, let me show you how to remove the audio from the video. One way to do it is click the video in your timeline panel, then in the upper right, click Audio. You want to open up the basic menu, and you will see here volume. And you can set the volume down to 0 decibels, or you can completely mute it. Now I'm going to zoom in here, and if you look at the video here at the bottom, you will see little waveforms for sound, and you can actually adjust the volume by moving the waveform up and down this line, and it will correlate with this change in volume. If you want to mute it, you can also click here Mute Track on the left side. So here I muted the track, and now let's say I want to have a video with no sound. So I muted the track. Then I'm going to click Export. Here I'm going to click Video, but no audio. And I'm going to click Export. Then it will create a new version of the video with no sound. Another thing that you can do with the video file is this. So now I'm going to unmute it. So now we have sound. So here I'm adjusting the volume. Let's maximize the sound here. I can actually extract the audio file in the timeline. So what you do is you select the video, you right click and then look for extract audio. So right click and extract audio. Click extract audio, and what it will do is this: it will actually separate the video from the audio file. So if you wanted to, you could simply just delete the audio. So now you have the video and there's no audio at all. You can hit export, click video, no audio, and then export it. Now we can undo that by hitting Control Z, so the audio is back. So let's say you want to have some background music. So this is me talking in the video, but let's say I want to add a song. So this is a MP3 file of an audio song. I'm going to move it into import. Then I'm going to drag it into the timeline. So I'm going to click that, but I don't want the sound to be maximized, so I can adjust the sound. As you can see here, if you look in the upper right panel, the volume's going up and down. So I can control the volume here, but I want it to go lower. So what happens now is, now we have three parts to it. We have the video, we have my original narration, and then we have the audio file. Next, to save the new video with the audio added, we go to export, click video and audio, click video and audio, make sure both are on, and then select your resolution and click export. So which I did earlier, and let me show you the result. How to get text transcripts from audio files. Your sources, either audio. This is used. So as you can see, all three parts were combined in the outputted video. The video, my original narration, and the audio song. And that's how you convert a video file into an audio file, remove audio from a video, and add audio to a video. Look in the description box below for the web links and other resources that I mentioned in this tutorial.